In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Skool Group About page. By the end, you'll have a clear, welcoming About page that sets expectations and helps new members feel at home. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Skool and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official Skool website. It should be the recognizable Skool homepage. Click that result to head straight in. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use for your Skool workspace. If you have security prompts, just follow them and continue. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct group if you manage more than one. On the left-hand menu, find and select the About Page tab. This takes you to the dedicated editor where you'll add and organize the content that introduces your community to newcomers and reminds existing members what your space is all about. Now, add your content. Think of this page as your community's front door. It should quickly explain who the group is for, what members can expect, and how they can get the most value. Keep your tone friendly, confident, and aligned with your brand. Begin with a short welcome message in the input box. Keep it warm and concise, and consider using dynamic variables to personalize it. These variables can automatically pull in details like a member's first name or your group name, making each greeting feel tailored without extra work. A simple, upbeat sentence or two is often enough to make people feel seen and excited to participate. Next, move to the description area and use the text editor to explain what your group is about. Break your ideas into short paragraphs so it's easy to scan. Use bold text to highlight key phrases, italics for emphasis, and bullet points to list benefits, guidelines, or quick start actions. Aim to answer the questions new members typically have: what they'll learn or achieve, how to engage, where to start, and any community norms. If it helps, include brief calls to action like where to introduce themselves or how to access important resources. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click the Save or Update button. Wait a moment for confirmation so you don't lose changes. Give your page a quick read to catch typos and make sure the tone matches your community. That's it. Your Skool Group About page is now set up and ready to welcome members.